In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to ClickUp's website. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to log in. This gets you into your workspace quickly and ensures you have the right permissions to access and print your content. Now navigate to the list you want to print. Make sure you're viewing it in the list view so your tasks appear in rows with columns. In the top right of the view, open Customize, then select Export View. This is the most reliable way to get a clean, printable version of your data. When the export options appear, choose the file format that suits your needs. Select CSV for a simple, widely compatible spreadsheet format. Next, look for the highlighted selector that controls which fields are included. You can keep it on visible columns if you only want what's currently shown on your screen. If you need a minimal list, click Task Names only for a concise checklist-style output. For a comprehensive report, click All Columns to include every field. Pick the option that best matches what you plan to print. Then click Download. Open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet tool. Review the layout, adjust column widths if needed, and print directly from there. If your browser saves files automatically, check your Downloads folder. There's also a quick way to print an individual task. Open the specific task you want to print so its details panel is visible. In the task window, click the three-dot menu in the corner and choose Print. Your browser's print dialog will open with a preview of the task. From here, adjust the basics. Set the destination to your printer or save as PDF. Choose the pages you want if there's more than one, switch the layout between portrait and landscape depending on the content, and decide whether to print in color or black and white. If the preview looks cramped or cuts off information, click More Settings. Here you can fine-tune the paper size, set pages per sheet if you need multiple pages condensed, tweak margins to fit more content, and adjust scale so everything fits neatly on the page. A common tip is to use Fit to Page or slightly reduce the scale to avoid clipping long descriptions or checklists. Once everything looks right in the preview, click Print. That's it. Whether you export a list to CSV for a structured printout or print a single task directly from its menu, you now have two reliable ways to print from ClickUp with control over exactly what appears on the page.